Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Ahyuan, I guess, Ahyuan roll-up drying rack, which is this drying rack right here. This is a 17 by 11.8 drying rack that you currently get on Amazon for only $10. I recently purchased this because I moved to a new apartment, and traditionally I use a bath stone with a traditional drying rack, but in my prior apartment with the other drying rack, it would cause a lot of stains and buildup of water on the bath mat, which just made it like gross and disgusting. So I wanted to try out a roll-up dish mat instead, just to bring out for the larger items. And the nice part about my new apartment is it's got a dual setup as far as sinks, and so I can wash over here and potentially dry things over here. And so currently I have the Realion bath mat. I did a review on that. That's only $29. I've got a couple drainage or sink racks on the bottom just to prevent buildup of grossness on the bottom. This one has a garbage disposal. I have Trader Joe's reusable dishcloths. I use these all the time, and they avoid needing paper towels, and you can just wash them in the dishwasher, or either the dishwasher or the laundry, depending on how you use them, and it saves you a ton of paper. And then the sponge daddies as far as that. But as far as opening this, we'll just cut it open. It's only $10. This is the dimension is a 17.8 by 11.8, but they've got a couple different size options. So depending on your sink size, your living situation, you can kind of determine which one you want to get. And I believe there's different color options as far as the ends, but I just went with silver as well as silver and the black. But really all you have to do is lay this across the sink. I'll slide this back a little bit, and it should function sturdily as far as putting things on this. And so immediately, it's kind of like a pliable aluminum, but it can support a lot of weight, definitely enough for dishes, and it does span the whole length of this. You could probably do it this way and could probably work, but it's not as aesthetically pleasing, so I'd probably put it like this. And then putting items on here, you can put it without any problem. And just turn it here. And the nice part is, rather than having like a dish rack or traditional dish rack that the water drains into like a bath mat or something like that, this will drain directly into the sink, so you're not making a mess or anything like that. So that's all I really have for this video, but at $9, this is what it looks like. Definitely worth the price. It's something that I'm actually super excited about trying this out because it's just going to keep a cleaner workspace. And the nice part is, once you're done, you can just roll this up, and if you want, you can put it underneath, and it is really compact. It's compact, concise, so you can store it very easily. So that's all I have, but thanks for watching. This is the Ahyuan roll-up drying rack. I'll leave a link in the description below.